Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to see you again in Miss Tini channel. Okay, now I have a new material again. It's about suggestion and offering something. Please watch it until finish. Jangan di skip, okay? Okay, now we are going to learn about suggestion and offering something. Okay, check it out. Okay, now we have to know, kita harus tahu what is the meaning of suggestion. Apa sih artinya suggestion? Suggestion is about say or write our ideas about what people should do. Apa artinya? Maksudnya adalah suggestion itu berupa perkataan atau tulisan yang isinya berupa ide atau gagasan atau saran yang nantinya orang lain ataupun siapapun yang mendengarkannya akan mengerjakannya, akan melakukannya. Oke, itu yang namakan suggestion. Oke, adapun the purpose of suggestion ada dua ya. The first, to present a suggestion, that is to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for consideration. It can be accepted or refused. And the second, suggestion are abstract and can be in form of solution, advice, plan, and idea. Maksudnya apa? Yang pertama, suggestion itu memberikan saran, di mana mengenalkan atau mengenalkan suatu ide atau gagasan atau rencana atau planning lah yang tadi disebutnya ya, untuk dipertimbangkan oleh seseorang. Bisa jadi sarannya itu diterima ataupun ditolak. Yang kedua, suggestion itu bentuknya abstrak, bisa jadi berupa solusi, advice tadi saran, plan, rencana, dan ide atau gagasan. Oke, now how to express suggestion. Yang pertama yaitu asking for suggestion. Bagaimana cara bertanya tentang suggestion? Kalimatnya, contohnya, example number 1, do you have any suggestion for me? Number 2, would you mind giving me your suggestion? Number 3, can you tell me what I should do? Number 4, what should I do? Oke, itu contoh 4 kalimat untuk asking for suggestion. Cara untuk bertanya apabila mengenai tentang saran. Oke, kita masih di how to express suggestion. Yang kedua yaitu giving suggestion, bagaimana cara memberikan sarannya. Kita bisa menggunakan pola with let's. Jadi setelah kata let's plus verb 1, kata kerja yang pertama. Oke. Contohnya ya, di sini kasusnya atau situationnya I am bored. Saya bosan. Suggestionnya, sarannya, let's go to a movie. Let's go. Lihat di situ, go-nya merupakan kata kerja yang pertama. Oke, untuk express suggestion berikutnya yaitu dengan giving suggestion by could plus verb 1. Could ditambah verb ke-1 atau kata kerja pertama seperti yang sebelumnya, let's ditambah verb 1. Kita lihat contohnya, example case, contoh kasusnya, I am having trouble in a math class. Suggestion, sarannya, you could ask Anna to help you with your math lessons. Maksudnya begini, kasusnya, situationnya, saya memiliki kesulitan dalam belajar matematik. Sarannya, kamu bisa bertanya sama Anna untuk membantu pelajaran matematika kamu. You can see it, kamu bisa lihat di verb 1-nya setelah could ada asked, yaitu merupakan kata kerja yang pertama. Untuk how to express suggestion, yang berikutnya yaitu giving suggestion dengan with why don't you, yang artinya kenapa kamu tidak bla bla bla. Kita lihat example-nya. Di sini saya tidak menyimpan situasi atau kasusnya, tapi kita langsung ke respon why don't you-nya. Example number 1, why don't we go to a movie? Kenapa kita tidak pergi ke bioskop? Number 2, why don't you come around 8? Kenapa kamu tidak datang sekitar jam 8-an? Nah, itu beberapa example ya dari how to giving a suggestion. Jadi ada beberapa cara yang mungkin masih banyak lagi. Oke, now untuk responding to suggestion, it is divided into two. Jadi respon suggestion itu dibagi dua. Yang pertama yaitu atau A, accepting suggestion. Jadi cara menerima saran itu kita bisa menjawabnya dengan kata sure. Okay, yes, let's. Yes, I'd like to. Yes, I'd love to. What a good idea. Why not? Yes, with pleasure. That sounds like a good idea. That's a good, nice idea. Okay, now responding to suggestion. Yang B-nya tadi kan accepting, menerima. Sekarang yang B-nya refusing suggestion, cara menolak suggestion atau saran. Contoh kata-katanya atau contoh kalimatnya, example, no, let's not. No, I'd rather not. I don't feel like it. I dislike your suggestion. What an awful. What a bad idea. I don't think it's a good idea. Sorry. Sorry, that's boring. Let's do something else. It's a bad idea. No, let's not. Let's blah blah blah. I'm afraid we can't. No, I don't think so. Oke, itu contoh beberapa dari kalimat penolakan untuk suggestion. Okay, now we are going to listen the conversation from my students, and then we discuss together what they say about the suggestions or offering something. Okay, let's listen of them.
Hi Kayla, are you okay? What happened?
I broke up with my boyfriend, Hawa.
Oh my god, wasn't yesterday fine?
Yes, I'm very sad.
Oh, you should tell me first, don't cry like this.
Okay, at first everything is fine. And then my boyfriend suddenly broke up with me. But now he with another girl.
Oh, you should have a good talk with him.
But I'm scared, Hawa.
Would you like me accompany you with him?
But I'm afraid, Hawa. I'm nervous.
Alright, how about I help you to talk to him?
But please help me with talk with him, Hawa, please.
Okay. I will help you, Kayla.
How if you're really with another girl, Hawa?
You have to move on and find someone new, Kayla.
But I just wanna be with him, Hawa.
Let's find a new boyfriend. Come on, don't be sad anymore. Smile.
Smile. Very sad.
Oh, you should tell me first. Don't cry like this.
Okay, at first everything.
Okay, the suggestion can be seen when Hawa said. Di sini bisa dilihat suggestionnya di ucapan Hawa. You should tell me first. Don't cry like this. Jadi kamu harus cerita dulu sama aku. Jangan dulu menangis katanya ya. Oke, lihat lagi dialog yang berikutnya.
Would you like me accompany you with him?
But I'm afraid, Hawa. I'm nervous.
Alright, how about I help you to talk to him?
But please help me with talk with him, Hawa, please.
Okay. I will help you, Kayla.
How if you're really with another?
Dalam dialog berikutnya yang diucapkan Hawa berikut merupakan offering something. Yang pertama, would you like me to accompany you to meet him? Yang artinya maukah aku menemanimu untuk menemuinya? And then number 2, alright, how about I help you to talk to him? Bagaimana kalau aku bantu kamu berbicara dengannya? Nah, itu dua kalimat yang menunjukkan offering something. Okay, next, the last dialogue.
How if you're really with another girl, Hawa?
You have to move on and find someone new, Kayla.
But I just wanna be with him, Hawa.
Let's find a new boyfriend. Come on, don't be sad anymore. Smile.
Smile.
Oke, let's make a conclusion. Kita buat kesimpulan dari dialog yang pertama yang dibawakan oleh Kayla and Hawa. Oke, Some sentences, beberapa kalimat yang menyatakan suggestion. Number one, kita lihat di box yang pertama ya, kotak yang pertama, example, you should tell me first, don't cry like this. Next, number two, you have to move on and find a new someone. Okay. Number three, let's find a new boyfriend. Yes. Sekarang lihat yang box yang kedua, yang berupa offering something. Kalimat yang offering something ya. Number one, would you like me to accompany you to meet him? Number two, alright, how about I help you to talk to him? Oke, jelas ya, dari dialog yang pertama kita bisa membedakan mana kalimat suggestion dan kalimat offering something.
Why the teacher give us a lot of tasks? I just can't.
Bruh, take it easy, busy, lemon squeezy. Don't be lazy like that. But for me, that's a piece of cake.
Oh, come on, be serious.
You shouldn't be inferior. You can do it. Fight it.
That's right, fighting. 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 But honestly, I'm very lazy. But the deadline is very short.
Oh, Lord, just do it. Just do it.
Okay. Oh, did you realize that we are on holiday soon?
Really? So, what are you going to do on holiday?
Maybe I'll take a trip somewhere.
I think I'll stay at home and do something new and fun. Or maybe study.
What a bore! Your holiday must be so bored. You better go out to somewhere.
No thanks. I'll study for the next lesson and I'm sure I will have the highest score in the class. You have to be like Billy Jan May. Would you like if I teaching you?
Whatever, never mind. By the way, do you have any suggestion where should I take a trip? Basically, I want to see Indonesian arts.
I think you should go to Yogyakarta.
Really?
Yogyakarta is the best choice. There are a lot of gallery arts and traditional arts. You should go there because you like painting and drawing, right? And also you can find some inspiration for your next painting.
Oh my day, that is great ideas. I'll ask my parents.
Anytime. So let's finish this learning activity and go home. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, this is the second dialogue from Zilan and Flodinta. Okay, I just find some suggestion in their dialogue. Jadi saya hanya menemukan beberapa suggestion dalam dialog mereka. Number one, you shouldn't feel inferior. You can do little by little. Let's go. Number two, I think you should go to Yogyakarta. Number three, you should go there because you like drawing and painting. Number four, you can look for some inspiration for your next painting. Number five, let's finish this learning activity and going home. Okay, those are some suggestions in their dialogue. So, I have a task for you. Saya punya tugas buat kamu. Let's find some offering something in their dialogue. Apakah ada offering something dalam dialog mereka? Okay, jika ada, if you find it, you have to write it in your comment. Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm so confused. Wait, why your face looks really dizzy? What's wrong? I'm afraid my mom will scold me because I was a talker. Oh my god, seriously? How can Eva? Of course it can, it is possible. I'm serious. Okay, sorry. So, I was given lunch by my mom, and then I ate it in front of the class, and then suddenly I really wanted to go to the toilet. So I rushed without saving the Tupperware first. And then when I came back, the Tupperware was gone. I've been looking and haven't found it yet.
Oh my god, you should keep your stuff in a safe place. Now, you have to look for it again until you find it. Who knows, when you look for it again, it will be there.
When I'm tired of looking for my Tupperware, I don't know what to do.
Okay, I'll help you find your Tupperware so you can find it quickly, okay?
Are you sure it's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Oh my god, Where is it? I can't find it. Where should we look again? I'm so confused. Do you find it? No, I don't. Well, I might just call my mom. Oh, I know! How about you buy a new one? But you still have to be honest with your mom that the Tupperware is lost and you replace it with a new one. Wow, that's a great idea. But unfortunately, I don't have enough money to buy a new one. Hey, calm down. I brought some extra money today, so you can use mine first. Thank you, bye. Sure, never mind.
Okay, in this dialogue 3, dalam dialog ketiga between Kifah and Fairuz, you have to find the suggestion and offering something sentences, okay? You have to be carefully to listen the dialogue. And then after that, you have to write on your book or in the comment about the suggestion and offering something that you find in their dialogue. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's see the conclusion. Okay, lihat kesimpulannya. Suggestion is about to say or write our ideas about what people should do. Suggestion itu saran, yaitu mengenai perkataan atau tulisan yang berisi tentang ide atau gagasan di mana seseorang bisa melakukannya ataupun tidak. Adapun responding suggestion itu bisa dibagi dua, divided into two, accepting and refusing suggestion ya, menerima ataupun menolak. Oke, let's see yang keduanya, yaitu over. What is over? Over itu is an expression of the desire by people in front of the other people to do something or not to do something. Over itu menawarkan, jadi suatu ekspresi di mana keinginan seseorang di depan orang lain untuk melakukan sesuatu ataupun tidak melakukannya. Bisa juga dibagi dalam dua bentuk ya, ada formal dan informal. Example, kata-kata atau kalimat untuk kalimat formal. Would you like something to bla bla bla? Would you like to bla bla bla? Could I over you bla bla bla? Would you mind bla bla bla? Shall I get you bla bla bla? Oke. Next, yang keduanya informal, bentuk yang tidak formalnya, yaitu what can I get for you? Won't you have bla bla bla? Something? Have some? Are you up for? Oke. Itu bentuk dari how to express over, oke? Bagaimana mengekspresikan cara penawaran. Oke, for the next conclusion, for offering something, how to respond to over. Bagaimana respon terhadap penawaran, sama halnya how to respond to suggestion tadi ya. Terbagi dua, ada accepting and refusing or declining. Example, contoh kalimat atau kata-kata menerima offering. Yes, please. Thank you. I like it very much. Thank you. I would. Blah blah blah. That would very nice. I'm pleased to do that. With pleasure, thank you. Thanks, I would. That would be awesome. Oke. Sekarang contoh refusing, penolakan atau declining. The sentences or the words, kalimat atau kata-katanya. Example, no thanks, not for me thanks. No, I really won't, thank you. I like to, but I have, blah blah blah. I can't, thanks anyway. It would be a great pleasure too, blah blah blah, but I have, blah blah blah. No, I really won't, thank you. Thank you, but I'm on diet. That's very kind. Unfortunately, I'd like to, but blah blah blah. Okay? Those are the example of the sentences or the words from accepting or refusing, declining from, for offering. Okay? Okay, done. Do you understand? Okay, good. I hope it can be useful for you, especially for a conversation or dialogue with your friend. You can practice it, okay? Especially in learning about how to speak well. Okay, don't forget, you have I think you have to share it and then give me an subscribe, like and share to your friends. I hope it can be useful for us to learn about English. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Subscribe, like, and comment for Miss Tini channel. Jangan lupa notifikasi loncengnya selalu diaktifkan. Oke?